Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme on your Nintendo Switch. Now, there's not a lot of options. There's just a light theme, and then you have this dark theme. So this could be a little bit easier on your eyes, maybe at night or something, or it could be a little bit easier for you to go ahead and see. Well, you can change the theme anytime by going to System Settings, scrolling on down, and there's a category just called Themes right here. So you got Basic White, and then basic black. So only two options right there. You can't change the background or anything like that. But I think I like the black one a little bit more, the darker colors. It's a little bit easier to see all the little buttons. On the white one, if it wasn't bright enough, it was kind of hard to see everything on the bottom here. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.